Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Dear students, in this activity we are going to learn to paste cotton in the snowman. Let's start our fun activity. For this we will be needing a glue stick and some cotton balls, some colorful papers. Let's start our activity. First of all, draw a circle. Now draw a bigger circle under it. Draw a bottom line under the circles. As we learnt to draw the arms of the snowman with some wavy lines, draw the arms with the hands on both sides. Now let's start cotton pasting. Take the glue and apply on the circle nicely. Take care that you should not go out from the line. Just within the lines, apply the glue. Now take a small cotton ball and then paste it properly, nicely inside the circle that you have drawn. Press it gently. Repeat the same in the next circle. After pasting cotton in the body of the snowman, we will paste some more cotton around it to show the snowfall. You can also paste some small cotton balls around it to show that the snow is falling. Now we are going to paste small black circles for its eyes, a long pointed triangle for its nose, a hat on its head, and I'm going to paste a red heart over here. You can paste small circles also to show the buttons on its body. You can also make the cutouts of mittens and paste on its hands. Dear students, you can decorate your picture by adding some straight strips or curved strips as you like on the sides of your picture, and you can go for any other type of frame whichever you like. Our snowman is ready. Now it's your turn to enjoy this activity. Take care. Allah Hafiz.